Today's episode is about how to get rid of tooth pain or toothache fast with the help of natural home remedies. You can take black cloves, the small cloves of black color. You can basically take 1 or 2 cloves, simply chew it and place it at the point. For example, if you're having a pain here, so simply chew it and place those cloves at that particular point and leave it over there, and you will feel that within the next half an hour, 15 minutes to half an hour, your pain is further going numb. Gargles with a salty water. So when you're taking take simple 1 glass of water, lukewarm water, and place 1 spoon of salt, mix it and just rinse your mouth basically with the salty water, and you will feel that immediately or quite soon that your pain will be numbed, as this is very good to get rid of it, the tooth pain. Apart from this, if you can find leaves of the neem tree, they are also very good. You can take fresh leaves, 4 or 5 small fresh leaves, wash them properly and chew them. So they are also basically very good to get rid of the tooth pain or toothache. Turmeric. So let's, for example, you take 1 spoon of turmeric, place 3 or 4 drops of water, mix it, and place that particular paste of turmeric with water on the gums or on the tooth, wherever you're feeling the pain. It's very good to get rid of the pain.